What go on, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Just when you believe it would have go better, just when you believe it would have been nicer, just when you would have believed that something good is going to come out of this, a video went viral, a mother speak out, and now police get involved. This is the Yanique Foster family drama. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you still? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Go check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself, because we go call your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your father, your mother, your grand, your great, everybody we go call. One of them will help you to carry about the doctor. Guys, remember, mental health crisis is not a joke. It is a serious situation. So check on your family, check on your friends. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Enough respect. You don't know me, still I go say happy birthday. No matter if nobody now tell me say Adam birthday. Happy birthday. And to each and every one of me viewers and subscribers of them out there, enough respect, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for everything we want to do. Guys, we are take time and move a little bit more to 13,000 subscribers. So guys, you don't know. Welcome in and thank you very much to be a subscriber. Guys, couple weeks ago, me see a video. Yes, me see a video on the TikTok street. It was a lady named Tracy talking about her daughter not recognizing her, not showing her any love, not showing her any respect after she do all what she do for her. And the video go viral. Viral or viral? Yeah, man, the video send off, shoot off, shut off, whatever you want to call it. The video gone. Yes, the video went. And people who know Tracy come out and start to talk about when them know Yanique Foster in a Tracy belly. Them know as far as that. Big up to one guy named Jamaica Mix Up TikTok him there. Him know Yanique Foster personally. Him know Yanique Foster mother personally. There's another guy who depend, I think, YouTube or Instagram. I can't remember his name. Big up to him because them know that lady personally. And them say to them talk about what them know and what them see. Mix Up Boss, that's Mix Up Boss talk about it too. And some people who know Tracy come on the panel and talk about what them know about Tracy, what them know about Yanique Foster, what them know about what Tracy have done to put Yanique Foster through school. I listen to many other content creators and many other people talking about the Yanique Foster situation. I hear man say Yanique Foster mother is wrong if you come out on social media because of money she a look. Me hear woman say Yanique Foster no owe her mother no obligation. No obligation and a money she a look. I never hear that lady say I wanted back my money when me send her go to school. I have never heard that woman say that. I heard that lady said that um, she just want to can able to hug her daughter, to love on her daughter because of what she put in to send her to school. That's all I hear. I have never heard she say she want any money. So when I see people come out saying the daughter don't owe her any obligation, let me ask this to you. For the 9 months she carry her, she never charge her no money to carry her in her belly. All the nights that she couldn't sleep because she has to clean her nappy. All the nights that she couldn't sleep because she helped with her young little baby, cleaning her dirty body. All the piss up, all the shit up, all that. No child. When she start to walk, and the mother have to stop her life to take care of the baby. Yanique Foster never know nothing. And her mother take time and teach her 1, 2, 3. No child. Guys, all of the sleepless night, all of the back pain, hold on, all of the pain where she a carry her, all of what she go through, sleepless night, hangover, baby pain, foot a swell up, hand a swell up, head a look ugly, face look ugly, nose get big. No child. Yanique Foster never tell her mother to go get her. However, she go and she get her. She take care of her. And you're going to tell me that when Yanique Foster see the video go viral, people start to talk. Did you know that Yanique Foster called police on her mother? Hold on, man. Oh, you are say when me I say? No, man, not say when me I say. Or stop, nobody talk about a lie, me I tell. Yanique Foster send police to our mother yard. Yanique Foster report our mother to the police, the Jamaica Constabulary Force. When the Jamaican Constabulary Force go over to Yanique mother's house, they go lock her up. And when the Jamaica Constabulary Force officers ask Tracy, Yanique mother, about the situation, and when Yanique mother explain the situation to the Jamaican Constabulary Force officers, you know, we as Jamaica kiss with it and gone. The Jamaica Constabulary Force officers go, how are this? And also then say it in a more professional. The police them could not believe what just happened. You're going to tell me that she don't owe her mother no obligation? The lady who birthed you, the lady who put you upon this earth, you're going to call the police on her just because she make a video saying that you disrespect her, you don't show her no love, you act like she ain't nobody, all because you wanted rich parents, all because you wanted a parents who have house in the Hampton, just because you want to have parents who have house up at Beverly Hills, or just because you want to have parents who have house over Jacksonville, just because you want to have parents with driving a BMW, you call police for your mother. How? Well, I wouldn't ask how you feel if when you call police for your mother, because you call the police already. So there is no situation to ask how you feel. You're feeling excited. You're feeling good because you call police for your mother. It is a disgrace to the human race. When you go to the next level of calling police on your mother, you're not only disgracing your mother, you're not only putting your mother down, you're not only trying to put your mother in jail, you're trying to finish off your mother. You're trying to finish off your mother, Yanique. He's a mess. He's wicked. And to all of the people out there where I talk about Yanique Foster does not owe our mother any obligation. Me see right through you. Me see right through you. Uno low. Uno mind low. The lady never asks her for no money. All the lady wants is to know that she can love her daughter. She can feel excited to say, yes, yes, my daughter, my daughter. That's all she wants. And because she says something, you call the police on her, the Jamaican constabulary force on her, and when them go, them could not believe what happened. Yanique Foster is a disgrace to the childhood community. He is a disgrace to the woman community. He is a disgrace to the human race. Yanique Foster. Yeah, man, me say. No matter what your mother do to you, calling police for your mother. Because once you call the police for your mother, you're calling the police for the police to either tell your mother to stop talking about you or to put her in jail. There's only two reasons police come. Well, not two, more than two, because police come to pick up body or to put body down the ground or to do other things. So what was the reason you really send the police them over there? You think there isn't a freedom of speech where the lady can talk her mind? You believe there is not a freedom of speech? You're so educated. Honestly, to be honest with you, a lot of you out there are educated dunce. A lot of you out there are educated dunce, because Yanique Foster, you are an educated dunce by calling police for your mother when all your mother do was make a video. Your mother didn't do nothing to you. Your mother can call your name anytime she wants because she piss you out. You say, my viewers and subscribers, these are the things that let me get cross, hungry, and miserable like bounty killer. Because your mother, 9 months, and these are the things I'm going to like to talk about now. You see, my mother, love my mother like how God loves little children. My mother, listen me good. Let me just share something with you. No matter what my mother do, my mother have done things that it says I shall not return from. But guess what? Me can't pay her for the 9 months when she carried me on this earth. Love my mother. I feel my mother. And no matter what my mother do, me look past it. Me and her we have a conversation. And me tell her, you're wrong, are you right, or you shouldn't do that. Yes. And then we move on to the next level, to the next page. Because guess what? Me don't know if me go left her ya or she go left me ya. But if she happen to left me ya, me nah go have a nice time knowing my mother gone. Cause guess what? My papa, my father, my daddy gone left me. Rest in peace, General. We all have problems. To all of the people out there we are talking about, Yanique Foster no who our mother, no obligation. Uno no like uno mother, uno no respect uno mother, uno no show no love to uno mother. And not because uno mother treat uno bad. Uno believe say Yanique Foster is right to treat our mother like SHIT. Viewers and subscribers, Yanique Foster call police for our mother. I'm out. Bye bye. Have a nice day.